Hey guys, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today I'm in the beautiful seaside Central California town of Cambria, and I'm here to do the Moonstone Trail. It is a boardwalk, it's flat, it's easy, it's 2.6 miles round trip and only 45 feet of elevation gain. I can't really say that too often about a hike, but this is a super easy one. So it is not the sunniest day, it's kind of cloudy, but at least it's not super foggy, but it's still a nice day to do this hike. It's about 52 degrees right now, so it's a little bit on the cooler side with a little bit of an ocean breeze, but I'm comfortable. So I drove down from Morro Bay, and it's about a 25-minute drive from there, so not too far. Everything is so close in this area, which I love. So what a nice trail this is. It's a boardwalk that goes along the coast with great ocean views. So I just got off the Moonstone Trail and went down to the beach because I saw some cool looking wooden teepees down here. Let's go check them out. Well, these are pretty darn cool. And then here are some stairs to take me back up to the Moonstone Trail. So I made it to the end of the Moonstone Trail, and this was an absolutely gorgeous hike along the coast. I love the trees a lot, and all the little tree tunnels and bridges and all that stuff along the way. I kind of wish this trail was actually longer, but super cool boardwalk, and it was a good day to hike here in Cambria. You guys, I really want to thank you so much for joining me on this adventure today. If you like the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you have not done so already, I would totally love for you to subscribe to my channel so I can take you with me on future hiking adventures around Central California or other parts of the nation. Thanks again. I'll see you guys on the next one. Till next time.